Hey guys, welcome back to the SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to make background black in a photo in just one step by using Snapseed app. Snapseed app download link in description. You can see before one and after one. It looks perfect. It's very easy trick guys. Just watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, click on open to add image. Now just select your picture and click on select. Now go to the tool section and select crop tool. First we are going to adjust the image size. It's very important. Before starting editing, just drag the frame like this and always keep main object in middle. Now just click on apply. Now next, go to the tool section. Now we are going to add black background. For that, click on curves tool. Now click on style, make it neutral. Click on channel and select RGB channel. Now just down the curve like this and click on apply. Now click on edit stack, view edits, curves, brush. Now click on invert, again click on invert. Now increase the percentage, make it 100 and start brushing on the flower like this. It is a simple time saving trick guys to get a perfect black background. First we are going to brush on the main object, means flower. We'll make it black and once it's done we just going to invert it. So now you don't need to brush all over the background. To erase, just decrease the percentage, make it 0, and to restore, just increase the percentage, make it 100. Brush neatly by adjusting percentage like this. Once it completed, now just click on invert and you can see, as I told you before, you no need to brush on all over the background to get black background. You can easily get like this. Click on apply. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more photo editing tutorials like this. Looks perfect. And now to save the picture, just click on download symbol and click on export.